Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. Just want to show you this van we bought the other day. It's a Ford van. It's a 2007 E250 work van. And we bought it from a local construction company that is closing down, and they were blowing out everything they had, all their tools, all their equipment. If you watch some of our other videos, you'll see some construction equipment that we've bought and sold, and that all came from the same place this van came from. You can see it's got the racking in the back, little fire extinguisher. So anyway, this van was sitting there at the warehouse. He actually had two vans. He also had a cube van, but that was a little bigger than we were prepared to accommodate in the shop here. You can see we're pretty close to the roof. We actually had to take the roof racks off. They're right here. Take the roof racks off in order to get this thing to fit inside of our little shop. But anyway, so he asked if I wanted to buy it, asked if we wanted to buy it, and really we didn't want to buy it because we didn't need a big white van, but he said because it needed repair, he would let it go cheap. He just didn't want to deal with it. And so we found out that the air conditioning pump appears to be seized. Someone's already gone and removed the air box and the belt, and down under there, right down underneath of that tensioner pulley, there's an air conditioning pump. You can't really see it, but it seems like it's seized, and I don't know if that's just the bearing between the clutch and the belt pulley, or if the actual pump itself is seized. We're gonna remove it this week or next weekend, and hopefully be able to repair it, or if not, replace it. And we're also gonna get a new belt for this and put it back together. It runs well enough right now, guys. I'll fire it up real quick. Now it doesn't have a belt on it, so there's no water pump, so you can't run this thing for very long. But we ran it enough to drive it around the barn here and get it into the shop. I'm just going to show you. We're excited about this one because it's only got 122,536 kilometers on it. That's pretty low kilometers for a used vehicle. Guys, we only paid $500 for this, and we went on Craigslist and looked at similar models, and they're going for like 6,000 to 9,000. So with this low kilometers, and we clean this baby up real nice, I think we'll be right smack in the middle of that. Maybe turn a hefty $6,000 or $7,000 profit on this one. That's how you make some change, guys. Is you gotta be in the right place at the right time. But here, we'll just. Oh, the battery's loose, guys. Let me tighten the battery up. There. Now we try it. Just fire this baby up. This has the 4.6 liter V8. Runs pretty good, nice and quiet. It actually runs better. It had a little bit of roughness to it when we got it, but I don't think it'd been running a year, so it seems to have cleared itself up. Nice and smooth, guys. You know, I'll just put it in gear for you. You can hear it in gear. So that's our Ford van. We'll make another couple videos of the air conditioning pump repair, and we're gonna clean this up and do a little detailing on it, make it look really nice. It's in great shape, guys. You see it's got the racking in it. Just give it a power wash in the sun and a little citrus clean. It's got some nice lighting in here. Anyway, subscribe to see some more videos about this or other things that we're buying and selling, and yeah, check back in the future. I'll make a few more videos on this guy. Thanks for watching.